In this video, I'm going to show you how to get faster shipping from JoyaGoo. Now, of course, for this, you will need an account on JoyaGoo, so there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get some nice bonuses and coupons on here that you can then use for yourself. So make sure you check that out, link down below in the description and in the pinned comment. Now, to actually get a faster shipping from JoyaGoo, here's what you're going to have to do. Now, the first thing, and this is the most important one, is you want to tap on your profile icon top right, and then you want to click on My Account. Here on the left, you want to make sure you look for your address, okay? So, account settings over here is where you can see the address. You want to click on Address, and then you want to make sure your delivery address is correct. So, if you haven't set one, click on Add Delivery Address, and then you want to put in your first name, last name, phone number, etc. and make sure all of this is correct because, for example, if just one number is off and incorrect, you could run into some issues and it could greatly delay your shipping process. So make sure everything here is correct before you are ordering. Now, the second thing I would recommend you do is to actually pay with account balance because the payment methods are Google Pay, either debit or credit card. You can use Skrill or you can use their balance over here. And there's a reason why I would use the balance, and that is because the orders usually get processed through faster because they get the money instantly because it's already on the platform, so they don't have to process through Google or through card systems and stuff like that. So click on your profile icon again, do My Wallet, click on Top Up over here. Select how much you would like to top up. So here's the amount in dollars, that's the estimation. Then click on Submit. And then you will have to select one of the payment methods to actually top up. So select your country, payment method, click Pay for Order, and then you'll be able to basically just pay and get your balance updated on here. Now, there's two more things you can actually do to have your shipping fastened, okay? So what you're gonna have to do is, I would recommend you actually place your orders early in the day, which means in the morning. So they will actually process a lot of those things that you order. So for example, if I type in shoes over here, they will process a lot of these things you may order very early in the morning. So if you order early, you have a better chance of actually getting it quite quickly. As you can see, it says they purchase from 9 to 18. So if you can be as close as possible to this 9 a.m. over here at UTC +8, then you'll be good to go, and then you will get your items quicker. Now, the second one is if you can see any items which have a label that says either ready to ship or stored in a local warehouse, make sure you're ordering those as well because those will usually return or arrive quicker to your location. So those were kind of all the tips I have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.